In your lesson 3 project panel over here, twirl down comps and you'll see the layer 1, 01 layer practice dot starter, right? So you'll have this stuff here. So a couple of just keyboard shortcuts you really should know how to do. So let's say you select a layer, right? How do you deselect? It's F2. So if you select a layer, F2 is a deselect. Or obviously you can click away from that anyway. But you want to get your left hand just as busy. So here's another problem that exists sometimes. Notice that you're in your composition window. This is the main composition window. A lot of people sometimes will accidentally or on purpose double click on a layer and you end up looking like this and you're like, oh, I can't see anything. Well, first of all, your playhead here this is the visible layer and it ends right there. So your playhead is not anywhere in the visible part. So there you go. So that's the layer that we're looking at. Okay, so be aware of that. If you double click on a layer, you're going to be in a layer panel. You can then close this to close the layer panel. And then if you scrub, you'll see the other pieces of footage. So be aware of that. Double clicking on a layer will get into the layer mode. What else? If you want to rename a layer, just select it and hit return, and then you can rename it. Okay, so that's one way you can rename. To change the selected layer, so let's say you select this one and you don't want to move your mouse, you want to use your left hand. Command down arrow command down arrow will choose the next layer underneath it, and obviously command left arrow will go up. So that's how you can quickly change layers. Here's another one. So this clip here, let's say I select the next layer down, right? To go to the beginning of the clip here, it's I, and then to go to the end here, it's O, Y and O. Okay, like that. So that's how you can jump quickly to the ins and outs. How do you move a layer? Let's say you want to move this layer up. Okay, the way you do that is hold down your command key and press the left square bracket. So that brings it down, and command right square bracket will bring it up. Okay, so practice those. And then if you actually want to, so let's move a layer. It's command option. That's another way to do it. Command option plus the up arrows. So that's a different way to do it other than, so command square brackets another way to do it, or command option up and down. So those are some keyboard shortcuts for you to kind of get under your belt and get used to doing that.